Hello neighbors here in Glendora, San Gabriel Valley, Pasadena, and the greater Los Angeles area. 60-second market update. Last year we had wildfires, tariffs, deportations, and high interest rates. This year we have thousands of people who rented properties for a year after the wildfires until they got settled. Now they have insurance money in their pockets. Tariffs are down. The stock market is at an all-time high, which gives them liquidity and confidence. And we have a record number of cancellations at the end of this past year, 2025. So going into 2026, the tailwinds will be the confidence in the stock market, the lower tariffs, lower interest rates, below 6% at the beginning of the year, and now a whole bunch of people with insurance money in their pockets looking to replace their properties because they don't want to go through the headache of rebuilding with higher cost of labor and higher cost of material. I think this will benefit the market greatly. However, I do think the wave has a lifespan, and I prefer to be early to the party, not late. Please contact me now for a free consultation and a discussion about what your options may be. There will be no sales pitch, no pressure whatsoever. It will be strictly educational and informational to help you make a decision that's best for you and your family. My information is below. God bless you.